Boost your credit score fast. 7 proven strategies that work. Want to boost your credit score in as little as 30 days? Stick around. I'll share 7 proven strategies that can raise your score fast.
Weekly financial tips? Don't miss out.
Credit scores play a huge role in everything from loan approval to interest rates. Today, I'm sharing quick, actionable steps to improve yours. Some could take effect within 1 billing cycle. Step 1. Pay on time every time. Payment history makes up approximately 35% of your FICO score. SEP autopay or reminders. Missed payments can stay on your report for 7 years. Quick payoff equals fast gains. Lenders report data monthly. Step 2. Lower credit utilization. Keep your balance below 30% of each card's limit, ideally in single digits. Tactics. Pay off balances before billing ends or make multiple payments each month. Getting a higher credit limit can drop your utilization instantly. Step 3. Request a credit limit increase. Without spending more, a higher limit lowers utilization. Many issuers allow this as a soft pull, so no hit to your credit score. Step 4. Become an authorized user. Ask someone with strong credit to add you on a card. It could instantly boost your score. Make sure the account reports to all 3 bureaus for maximum effect. Step 5. Dispute errors. Myths abound, but mistakes happen. Late payment flagged incorrectly, unfamiliar debts, etc. Order your free credit reports from Equifax, Experian, TransUnion weekly. Disputing can remove inaccurate negatives fast. Step 6. Don't close old cards. Older accounts lengthen your credit history, approximately 15% of your score. Closing old cards can raise utilization and shorten history. Step 7. Diversify your credit mix. Having a mix, e.g., installment loan plus credit cards, helps, but don't open new accounts just for this. Use it mainly as a long-term booster. Step 8. Get a secured card. Optional for beginners. If you have little or no credit, secured cards with refundable deposit help build history. Expect small gains in 30 to 45 days after responsible usage. Reddit Wisdom. Real stories on Reddit. One user reported going from 540 to 720 in 4 months by negotiating debts, using a secured card, and staying below 30% utilization. Get Credit Karma. Be religious about not going over 30% of credit card limit. Get a secured credit card. How fast is fast? Some steps show effect as soon as the next monthly report. Major changes like paying down heavy balances or fixing errors can reflect in 30 to 45 days. Deep rebuilding with old debts or major derogatories takes months. But these tactics can kickstart fast improvement. Let's recap. Pay on time, lower utilization, ask for more credit, dispute errors, keep old cards, and optionally get added as an authorized user or take a secured card. Start today. Pick 1 or 2 steps and commit. Hit subscribe for more finance tips and share this video with a friend who needs a credit reset.